Welcome 2022. A very warm welcome and wishing you a very happy new year to all the members, subscribers, and of course the new visitors. So what does this machine mantra has to offer to you in this new year 2022? Well, I have decided quite a number of things and I'm so excited how to put it across because time just slipped away and I was just preparing a few videos and the few I could not, few are still pending. And then just time just slipped by and year 2022 is here. I started off 2019 and because of your all support and your blessings, your love, this channel is really increasing and people are benefiting from it. So what next now in 2022? Let us take it a little more further. Let us take machine mantra, which is, I would say, not my channel now. It has become a public channel now because you people suggest what needs to be done next. So I make videos according to your demand. I know a few are still left, so please forgive me for that. That is requiring a lot of effort actually, and I'm not able to devote that much time. That's an excuse. Okay. So what do I have for 2022? So let's make it a more democratic channel. That's I would say I need your participation so that you suggest me more things so that I can come up with that. Maybe I'm running short of ideas what to give because I want to make it something real, original. I really want to give you something which is authentic, which would help you, not just running a rat race, which each and every machine learning or data science channel is giving. So you suggest what do you want? This is an open forum, an open place where I would speak up my mind openly to you all that you tell me what do you want? You tell me what should I make? How can we go about it? Is it feasible? Will it be feasible or not? We can have a good discussion on that and take this channel forward. If we are a community of, we are having the same interest of machine learning data science together, then let it be interactive. Let it not just be, I am just, putting up a few videos and you're enjoying going back and things like that. I need more input from you people. I need you now to be more, take it as your own channel, collaborate with me. So I was thinking about that. You people could come and be partner with me. You can come and write blogs on my website. I'll provide you some good opportunities. And also, of course, it would be offers also available for you for various things, for attending global conferences, which I get and attending, maybe reference or something like that. So we can work upon all these things, but do let me know what do you really want. So let us make this 2022 more productive as to introspecting within that what really needs to be done so that I can just ace the journey of machine learning. If I am a beginner, how can I really, advance into the intermediate and advanced level? I learned that industrial skills. What do I really need for that? What are the real authentic sources that I should, hit upon? So all these things have to just trigger you from within this year. It's not just about whether you're a subscriber or not, but the thing is that you strive for perfection, if not perfection, at least near perfection in both your material and your spiritual world. So material world, if you are into this field, then try various options which would really help you yield some benefits. So yes, machine mantra is here to offer you so many things like collaboration, like video on demand, which you would demand and which you would suggest. And if you can really help me out with what real data sets if you have, we can work on that. And I want it to be more interactive this time. I want more enthusiasm from you all. The love that you have shown me over the years is really has boosted something within that is keeping me moving. And this year, it is really a very good year because the ending of it, since November, I'm getting a good tidings of happiness and everything. So this is like ended up very smoothly. Initially, there were downs. There were many downs we all faced. during the pandemic, and there were many, distracting things which are happening in our life. But then slowly we adjusted and came up together with this. So what's next? And I really need you all to just wear your thinking hats, and let's do it together. Let's do it together, because channel YouTube runs because of you people. Creators have a role to play, but they have a limited role to play. The real role that is being played is by the audiences, by you people. So of course, I would say that, again, summing it up, that wishing you a very, very, very happy new year, and let's make it more happy, more and more and more. I wouldn't say more happier, but yes, happier together, right? So yes, this is your channel, guys. I'm just dedicating this Machine Mantra channel to you all this new year. Let's take it big. Let's make it huge, and support me too, because it is just a two-way process. Okay. And of course, you can expect many more innovative, creative videos in down the line, many posts. So just do comment, show your appreciation by commenting. And yes, if what you give more to the society, you get more. Okay. So there's always a principle of universe, which is there. Yes. And I've felt it very deeply. So give more and get more. Right? Start now. Okay. Start commenting, and wish you a very happy new year. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being